Building a house with proper planning is crucial for creating a comfortable and functional living space for all family members, both now and in the future. A well-planned house considers the needs of all ages, including the elderly and children, ensuring it remains user-friendly as the family grows and ages. In contrast, houses built without planning often face significant challenges. As families expand and members age, these houses may lack necessary features, leading to costly renovations and inconvenience. Planning ahead helps avoid these issues, ensuring the home remains safe and comfortable for everyone.